guys, I'm Kate and this is Don't Burn Dinner. Usually I'm doing a lot of recipes, cooking, and that sort of thing, but this week I wanted to detour a little bit, go down a different avenue, and just do general like home goddessness stuff. And that for me this week means trying to come up with a really great budget-friendly holiday card. Every year it's a struggle. It's hard to, even schedule with your professional photographer. So when I ran into that problem a few years back, I took matters into my own hands and just enlisted the help of a simple tripod and a little remote control that helps. And it just wonders. It did wonders for our family. And it took something that was chaotic and stressful and turned it into a fun day out where we just happened to get a great shot, a great memory that we turn into a holiday card. So wish me luck. We're headed to a local park and this should be a fun experience. So let me show you how it's done.
Here are the last 3 years. I did all 3 of these cards on my cell phone. Unbelievable, right?
So I am going to introduce you to my biggest secret, and that is the tripod selfie stick for the phone. So I'm using my phone to record right now. So let's just use this as a display, my case, right? So then your phone would go like in here, literally in here. Let's pretend we're a selfie stick. It rotates. Oops. Okay, so it's gonna like rotate. Let's just pretend. But it goes super tall and the remote is your key. So it clicks on here when you're not using it. You can also do it like a selfie, but you use the remote. And this is how I get amazing photos when we're traveling in Europe, things like that, when I'm not comfortable handing my phone over to another tourist and I just would rather keep my phone on me, which I always recommend you do. This is a great alternative to get an amazing family picture. This is a close-up of what you'll see I'm using in the video today. However, every other card that I showed you was done on the phone. So let's get going. Timing is everything now. It's go time. So we've set up the camera in the car. The tripod's ready to go. We're putting this down, hoping to just get one smile before they get too distracted. We have one that doesn't want to wear a coat. He's already freezing, but we're going to work through it. This is why. So now this remote, I am in control of it. See, it's different. We don't have to run and set a timer and then run back. So the trick is you just have to click, 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 click as quick as you can. When you've got your cell phone set up, make sure you shoot in live mode because you can go in and choose which picture is the best and get all the good smiles. There we have it. We got the picture and that's it. Time to celebrate. Now look at, uploaded it into some little card making software and we're done. How easy was that? Love it. So for more tips, make sure you guys like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our weekly drops that we do here at Don't Burn Dinner. Thanks for watching. See you guys.